warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Heather. I am 8 years old. I made a boat and his name is Turbo, and he's made out of styrofoam, a straw taped with a balloon, and plastic glass. And let's test it out. Let's test it out. It floats and goes pretty fast. Hope you liked it. Bye.